Guys, bank scammers are getting arrested left and right.
Financial crimes case from the Navy Federal Credit Union continues to grow.
Plus, more arrests are pending in a bank fraud investigation.
And now the FBI is involved. And they're saying that they're going to arrest not just 10 or 20 more. They're going to arrest a lot more scammers.
This isn't it.
Not 10 more and not one more, but we've got probably a handful more coming
in the time to come. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain why these Navy Federal employees got arrested and why I think bank scamming is dead. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about bank scammers and why I think it's dead. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel.
If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report.
Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. This video is very interesting because I'm from the land of the scammers. I'm from Chicago, and I've seen this scam being done by so many people. All of the rich guys in the clubs, they used to pop their stuff, and they was scammers, and everyone knew about it. Everyone knew what they was doing, but they never got caught. So now this is a long time coming. I've never ever wished death on anyone, but this is an industry that is long overdue. Now, basically, if you don't know what type of scam this is a bank ATM scam. So as you can see in the video, over 3 to 4 guys have been arrested within the Navy Federal institution, but I honestly seen this scam done with Chase, Navy Federal, most credit unions. I've seen it done with BOA. I've seen a Bank of America. I've seen it done by so many different institutions. This is not just one. So institutions all over the board has been a victim of this certain scam, and I'm gonna explain it to you. So basically, this is called cracking cards. Now, the reason it's called cracking cards is because you're basically inserting a ATM debit card, inserting a fake ATM check, and once the ATM check clears, you take the money off, and the scam is done. The person that usually have the ATM card don't even know that the check is going to be fake. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It really just depends on the communication or on how well the scam is done. So if you're being handled by super professional, they're going to make it seem like it's an opportunity of a lifetime, but in all actuality, is about to put a fake check in your account, take all the money out, and either give you a portion of the money they take out or not give you anything at all. And then you go into check system, your account gets shut down, and now you can't get a bank account. That's basically the scam. That scam has been going on for so long. I've seen a lot of people from the neighborhood actually get rich off this certain scam. Now, as you can see, Navy Federal and the United States government is not playing because, like I said, the FBI has been getting involved when it comes to this scam, and I want you guys to take a look.
Latest details on the Navy Federal Credit Union fraud case in Columbus that involved hundreds of thousands of dollars. So far, 3 men have been arrested, but the Columbus Police Department says they're only the tip of the iceberg. News Here Tonight's Gabriella Johnson explains.
It's kind of like peeling an onion. It's every time we peel a layer, something else pops up.
Columbus Police Property Crimes Unit is continuing to peel layers off of an ongoing investigation involving fraudulent activity at the Navy Federal Credit Union on Veterans Parkway in Columbus. So far, Stephen Barrett, Demetrius Redding, and most recently Curtis Davis have been arrested. But police say this isn't it.
Not 10 more and not one more, but we've got probably a handful more coming.
Davis, the third suspect, pleading not guilty in court Thursday. His attorney, Mike Garner, says he has only had 2 days to review his client's case.
He's accused of cashing one of the checks, and that's pretty much his role in it, was helping somebody else, according to what the police say.
Police say Davis reportedly got cash from Barrett on multiple occasions.
This situation, Mr. Davis was able to walk out of the bank with $122,000. As soon as they deposited the checks, they would either get cashier checks from Navy Fed or they would get actual cash. And we can see on video surveillance money envelopes, him putting in his pocket and then walking out the door.
But Garner says evidence is slim.
Just know that the evidence against him is very slight, and that's why apparently they've waited this long to make a case against him.
Police say the latest in this investigation came from those 2 checks deposited into the account of Christopher Upshaw, someone in federal prison, and another account belonging to Jermaine Thurkield Jr., who is deceased.
Mr. Davis, they were depositing checks into Mr. Upshaw's account. Jermaine Thurkield was a similar situation. His account was being used to deposit checks, withdraw cash, things like that. And all of that fraudulent activity in Mr. Thurkield's account happened after he was deceased. Mr. Upshaw is in federal prison for shooting at an FBI agent, so he can't consent.
Investigators say they will continue to peel back the layers of this onion and are certain that will mean more arrests in the days ahead.
So guys, as you can see, the scam is very, thought out perfectly. In my opinion, the guy was able to walk into a bank and leave with over $100,000 scot-free.
Davis was able to walk out of the bank with $122,000. As soon as they deposited the checks, they would either get cashier checks from Navy Fed or they would get actual cash, and we can see on video surveillance.
And that's how much money these scammers have been making for such a long time, especially since I've been in high school. I've been seeing this done for such a long time. And that's just the potential of how much money you can make off one scam when it comes to this particular one. But guys, leave it in the comment section. I want you guys' opinion on this one because this one is very interesting. Now, it also has been another young lady that is under fire right now because she got in an argument with her boyfriend and decided to post his personal information online. Guys, take a look.
Was heavy on the was a Navy federal employee. She was upset with another young man and decided to post the young man's debit card information online, and people went crazy as if 2023.
Y'all finna be so mad when y'all go to prison. This girl done posted this man card information and he bank with Navy Federal. Them folks don't play. They about to get all that money back that y'all spent on that man card. Plus interest, okay? I'm so glad I ain't used this card though, because I sure was thinking about it, but y'all ain't about to get another mug shot out of me.
So guys, also, from what I've told, she is actually going to jail or already in jail. She's facing some very serious charges. The people that also took that young man's card and used it for bills or any online purchases, from what I've told, are also going to face federal charges as well. Guys, these institutions are starting to fight back. I've seen institutions lose tens of thousands of dollars like this with this particular scam, and now they are fighting back. And when the FBI is involved, it is a very serious matter. The FBI have a very, very high success rate when it comes to these type of crimes or any crimes at all. So when the FBI get involved, guys, this is when you need to steer away, do something else, and get from under the fire, because it is coming. As you've seen, these people were hunted down and now their life is basically ruined, and they're gonna have to go through a long line of paperwork and court cases and possibly even long-winded jail time. So guys, this is a very interesting one to say the least, but I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that this is something to look out for? Have you been a victim of this particular scam, or have you heard of this particular scam? Guys, I want to know in the comment section because I want to have a conversation with you guys. But guys, the institution's not playing. Navy Federal is getting a lot of news for these particular arrests because conveniently conveniently, all of these people that's being arrested are under Navy Federal specifically. But like I said, guys, I've seen people use this exact same scam a billion times for years and years and years. And, you know, the scammers became the new drug dealers of my generation. We didn't have a lot of drug dealers. We had scammers. And people that know that scammers basically were the new drug dealers. And this was the specific scam that they're using. I was honestly surprised that they were still using this scam. But let me know in the comment section, guys. This is very interesting. Know that Navy Federal is not playing. And I don't know, guys. This is interesting, man. $800,000 in fraud is crazy. And like I said, this is just the beginning of this case, and they are expected to basically debunk the whole thing. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you found any of this information helpful. Leave a like and subscribe, guys. If you need anything done to your credit, any charge-offs, late payments, anything removed, go to mycreditapprove.com. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.